I just want to state that I matched my hair clips to my inner eyeshadow to my shirt for this video, so I really hope you appreciate it. You probably don't. Okay. Hey guys, what is up? It's Andrea and welcome back to the andreaxsnaps channel. What's up? How's it going? How's life? What? If you're new here, hi, I'm Andrea. This is the channel, andreaxsnaps. Go comment this emoji in the comments below because I'm gonna be there for the first hour replying to as many of you as possible. Wait, let me do that again. As many of you as possible. Yeah. So today we are going to be doing something that a ton of you guys loved the first time I put it up on my channel. Mom is doing pretty well so far. For today, I asked my mom and my sister to go to Slime Mania, which is hosted by the queen herself, Karina Garcia, and they were selling slimes for me. So I thought to make it super fun, I would give them each $50, and I told them to pick the slimes they thought that I would like the most out of every single thing in the convention center. So I really hope they didn't waste my $50 on stuff that I'm gonna hate. This week, we are going to be looking at the slimes my mom bought for me, and then if you guys tune in next Saturday, we are actually going to be looking at the slimes my sister bought me. And don't forget to let my mom and my sister know how well they did in the comments down below, and we can figure out who did it better. There are like a few slimes that I have in mind that low-key I'm really hoping they bought, so I guess we're gonna find out what we got right now.
So like, what are you looking for Andrea's slimes?
I'm looking for cool and different unique things that I think that she'll love. If I love them, she'll love them.
Like glitters, or are you gonna get fluffy slimes, or are you gonna get
Glitter, bright colors. I'd like to try somebody else's jellies and cloud slimes.
Okay, so you're gonna try some new things that you haven't seen before. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay. I have no strategy, and that is my strategy. So.
Bellini Slimes actually recorded this super sweet message for me when she brought her slimes over for my mom and my sister. It was actually so adorable, and I wish I could have met her in person. So if you're out there, thank you so much. This is probably one of the most unique and personal slimes I have ever received. Guys, my face is in this slime. Like, I don't know how she does this, but this is honestly the coolest thing ever. In the one that she gave me, it had a picture of my face and one of my iconic Peachybbies logo, and then there was a picture of one of our OG slimes, Frosting Shots. She even matched all of my pictures to like the pink kind of pearlescent theme she had going on. The base slime itself was seriously satisfying as well. And let's not ignore the fact that this clear is literally crystal clear. We love a thick and clear sister here, guys. I think we're definitely off to a good start for my mom's slimes, you guys. My sister is gonna have a really hard time beating her. Next, my mom bought me, to be honest, I have no idea if this label says sploosh slimes, splash slimes, sploofy slimes. Basically, the logos are really hard to read, but I'm pretty sure that it says spoofy slimes here, you guys. Correct me if I'm wrong. She got this clear grapeseed and purple one called You Can't Spell America Without Erica, and then this really cool cake batter looking one called Cake Batter for Real, which looks kind of like a textured white glue slime. I loved the dome lids. They were kind of messy to get the underactivated slimes out of, but they looked so unique and they definitely stood out. First up is the cake batter one, and the scent seriously reminds me of this one sugar cookie scent that I used to use in my slimes all the time. It smells super buttery and really yummy. The slime itself is definitely really dense and really thick, but it's also really sizzly and crunchy. And then when you inflate it, it gets super light and poofy. I really loved playing with this one. I think the texture on it was crazy unique. I don't see a lot of white glue snow fizz slimes, so I thought that this was really cool and I like it a lot. Then we have the Erica one. Seriously, is this a reference to something? I feel dumb because I don't know if this is supposed to be like a TV reference that I'm not getting. Let me know down in the comments so I don't feel so dumb, please. This one is a slightly foggy clear with a grape popsicle scent. I had to reactivate this one, which did get a bit messy like I was talking about with the dome lids because she fills them so full. But I thought this one was a really nice clear, and it definitely, in the best way possible, reminded me of a melted grape popsicle with like the scent and the texture. So huge plus, really loved that one as well. Then we have something from Slime Crazy Creations. I love when people make the push pop slimes. I never see enough of these, and I feel like they're always so fun and interactive. So I'm really, really happy that my mom got me one. This one is like a bright neon green icy. I can't really tell if this is an icy or a cloud, but I'm pretty sure it's made with a clear glue base, so I do believe it is an icy texture. It's supposed to be scented like Baja Blast, but I was not a huge fan of this scent. I feel like lemon and lime scents are definitely really hard to find good ones. They always end up smelling really, really chemically or kind of like a kitchen cleaner or something like that. So I wasn't a huge fan of the scent, but overall, I really, really loved the texture. I thought the push pop was super, super fun, and it had like a nice drizzle when you fluffed it up. So I do think my mom did a good job with this one as well. Then we have Be Kind Slime, which is really cute. I'm loving how classic and clean, like her labels and the containers and the slime all look together. I guess my mom picked out Fruit Loop Crispies from her. So I thought this one would be like a white glue slushie, just judging by the name, because whenever somebody names something Crispies, it tends to be like that specific texture. But I was really surprised. This one was actually a school glue, like glossy base, and then it had some microfoams and some big foams, and then a bunch of rainbow sprinkles in it. This one definitely spelled exactly like the name. It was really sweet and it was really sugary, just like a box of Fruit Loops. It was super stretchy and the bubble pops were super satisfying to make. Definitely such a great slime if you guys are looking for something classic. Then mom got me this 6-ounce slime from Angel Wing Slimes, named after one of my classic slimes, Frosted Animal Cracker. I don't know if you guys remember, but that was one of the first slimes that I actually released on peachybbies.com. It is an icon. Their version of it is a super thick and dense butter slime with these cute little rainbow beads throughout. The scent definitely reminded me more of like a bubble gum than an animal cracker. It was definitely some kind of candy scent, so I wasn't like the hugest fan of that, but I am a sucker for a really good butter slime, and this one definitely didn't disappoint. It spread so well, and I did not inflate this because I wanted to be able to fit it back into the container, but I could tell this would inflate like crazy. Then we got this tiny little 2-ounce cloud cream from Tutti Frutti Slimes. Look at it. It is so tiny and cute. It's called Vanellope's Racing Car, and I think that this one might have been a gift, but I wanted to include it anyways, you know, because my mom was the one who gave it to me. This one didn't have much of a scent, so I'm not sure if it was supposed to be unscented or not. And the cloud cream was a bit on the wet side, but it was super creamy and definitely really stretchy, and the little sprinkles at the bottom were such a cute touch on this one. Mom also bought me 2 slimes from Daily Slimes. The first one, the one we're looking at right now, is a clear and glittery slime called Cold War. I thought the name was really original, and I loved the tons of like little tinsel glitters that they had at the bottom. This one also didn't need to be reactivated, so we always stand a clear slime that never needs to be reactivated. It is literally one of the best things in the slime world. The texture of this one was really nice too. Definitely not jiggly at all, and thick enough clear that we were able to hold it. I'm pretty sure this one was unscented. And then when you inflate it, it made some really nice sizzles and really nice bubble pops. Then we have a cloud slime, or it might be an icy. I can't quite tell what kind of base glue is used in this, but it's definitely fluffy whatever it is. Then we have the really cute glittery top, and it's called Girls on Film. I love the combination between the gold and the bright green. When I opened it, the glitters did all stick to the top of the container, so I didn't get to look at those as I was mixing them into the slime, but overall, I really love green slimes, and I thought this color was super pretty. I'm not quite sure what the scent was supposed to be. It definitely smelled more like a cleaning supply or like a soap than anything fruity. And I'm definitely not a huge fan of scents like that. I would have to say it's probably my least favorite scent. But overall, I really, really loved it. And it definitely made up for it because it was so sizzly and soft and fluffy. I definitely think that my mom did a great job with these, you guys. I am so excited to see what Stephanie is going to do next Saturday and see what slime Stephanie has picked for me. But that was it for this video. I really hope that you guys liked it. Definitely let me know what you think. I'll be in the comments down below for a while, so I'd like to talk to you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!